We're here at Carz R Us in Machesney Park, Illinois, and today we're talking about what makes us legendary. And our first statement in our vision and mission statement is Carz R Us is an automotive center that strives to create legendary service every time you visit us. Now, what does that mean to you as a client of ours? Number one, we do things like this. We have a welcome board, and everybody that comes in is on this board. So we want you to feel like you are a part of our family. That's a big part of what we do to include you. The second thing, we have loaner cars and shuttle service, and that is super convenient for our customers to be able to get to and from work, take their kids wherever they need to go as well. Now, I've got Eric and Robert here, two of our service advisors, and they're going to tell you what is part of their legendary service that they're going to provide our customers. Eric?
Well, like you mentioned, Matt, the legendary service to us means treating people like a family member you like.
You like, right.
So if they call us, they're going to get the same treatment as if my aunt called or my grandmother called and said, hey, I need help with my car. So I'm going to treat them just like that. That also means being available after hours. We have an after hours text number. Customers have used that. Recently, we had a client reach out to us on a Sunday. They were in a panic because they had to go to work the next day. A car was down. We were able to make arrangements over the weekend. They didn't miss work. We got them back on the road Monday afternoon. Everything worked out great.
Yeah, and sometimes you just need that advice from an expert. Maybe we don't even do anything, but it's that ability to get connected with somebody that goes above and beyond, I think, compared to what a lot of places are.
Absolutely. Right? It's like giving all of our clients a mechanic in the family that they can reach out to.
Absolutely. Robert, what do you think?
For me, Matt, it's our pickup service. Within 10 miles, we'll come to your work because we know Monday through Friday, you're working just like we are. Weekends, you don't want to work on your car, have to wait at the shop. So we'll come to you, we'll pick it up, we'll do the oil change, whatever the work that you need is. And we're 100% hassle-free via text communication. We can actually do text to pay, so you don't even have to give us credit card information over the phone. We drop your vehicle back off at the end of the day or when you need it back, and you don't even have to leave your work or house if you want us to pick it up from your residence.
Yep, and I know one thing we had recently where someone was towed in, and then they're like, how do I get to my vehicle? And so we actually took two people, dropped that vehicle off at their work, so they're able to get to and from work that day, even though it was towed in here. So again, we go above and beyond to create that legendary service, and that is consistent every time you visit here. So stay tuned for more about our mission and vision statement going ahead.
877-4277